In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Google Analytics in your HostPapa account, providing a quick and easy tutorial that will have you up and running in no time. Let's dive straight in. First things first, head over to your web browser and go to analytics.google.com. This will bring you to the Google Analytics homepage where you can start tracking your website's performance. Once you're there, look for the Start Measuring button. Click on it and then sign in with your Google account credentials. If you don't have a Google account, you'll need to create one to proceed. After logging in, you'll need to enter your account name. Don't stress too much over the name. It can be anything that helps you identify this account. Once you have entered the name, click the next button to move forward. Now you'll be setting up your property. Here, you will need to enter the name of your website. Additionally, it's crucial to select the correct time zone and currency, as these will affect how data is presented. Make sure everything is correct here, then click Next. After that, you'll be asked to accept the terms and conditions. Click Create, read through the terms, and accept them to proceed. This is standard practice for setting up any new account with Google. Once your analytics account is set up, you'll find yourself on the analytics dashboard. Here, you'll look toward the bottom left of the screen for the admin gear icon. Give that a click and it will open up your admin options. Under your property settings, search for the data streams option and select it. Since we are working with a website, choose Web. Now enter your website URL, make sure it is accurate, and click on Create Stream. This will generate a measurement ID for you, which looks something like G. Copy this ID as you'll need it shortly. Next, let's log into your HostPapa dashboard. Once inside, find the menu on the left-hand side. Click on Settings, and then select Tracking. Navigate to My Websites and proceed to click Edit Site. Here is where you'll paste that measurement ID you just copied into the Google Analytics field provided. This code allows Google Analytics to communicate with your HostPapa site. Once you've entered the ID, click Save and then make sure to publish your website. Now let's head over to your WordPress admin by going to yourdomain.com/wp-admin. In your WordPress admin, go to Plugins and click on Add New. Search for the Site Kit by Google plugin. Once you've found it, install and activate the plugin. This tool will make integrating Google services a breeze. After activation, click Start Setup within the plugin and sign in using your Google account. Ensure to allow access and choose the analytics property you just set up. And there you have it. Once you've completed these steps, Google Analytics should be successfully integrated into your HostPapa and WordPress setup, allowing you to track and analyze your website's traffic effortlessly. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like and subscribe